Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Today for lunch, I'm making a healthy version of empanadas. Empanadas are normally fried in oil, but today I'm going to show you how to make empanadas in the air fryer. Now, many of you probably know how to make it already, but for those that don't know how to make empanadas in the air fryer, I'm going to show you. It's really simple. So right now, I'm frying up some ground turkey because I'm making picadillo. Picadillo, for those that don't know, is a Cuban dish made with ground beef or ground turkey with sofrito, olives, capers, raisins, and potatoes. Now, the potatoes and the raisins are always debatable. You could add them or you can leave them out. But anyway, I'm leaving them out the dish today. I'm just making a simple, this is basically for tutorial reasons, and also I want something for lunch. So anyway, I'm frying up some sofrito, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. Next, I'm adding 4 ounces of tomato sauce, the sofrito, olives, bay leaf, and a 1/4 cup of white wine to the ground turkey. Normally, when I'm making picadillo, I add an 8-ounce can. But because I'm making empanadas today, I don't want the meat mixture to be so wet, so I'm adding less tomato sauce. So our picadillo is almost ready. I'm just gonna let this cook down for about 10 more minutes, and then I'm going to start filling up my empanadas. Okay, so I'm going to start filling the empanada shells. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of picadillo. And one thing you don't want to do is overfill it. Well, especially if you have a lot of sauce on your ground turkey or beef, ground meat. You don't want to overfill it because then the sauce spills out and, then it starts to burn and, well, that's just the way I like it. I don't like to overfill them. Everybody's different. But anyway, so I'm going to pinch the sides, the edges with my fingers, and that will seal them. And you can also use a fork to leave to make the fork marks, to make them look pretty, if you want. So I'm going to do a few more of these, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so with your fork, you want to crimp the edges, and it's the seal. It serves 2 purposes. It seals the empanada shells as well as make the empanadas pretty. One thing I love about empanadas is you can fill it with anything. Chicken, fish, tuna fish, ground turkey, ground beef, whatever you want to fill it. You can fill it with guava. Sometimes I do that. And oh, how I love guava. Yeah, empanadas can be filled with anything. That's why I love them so much. So now I'm going to start frying up the empanadas. Now, I don't do anything to my empanadas. I just basically take them and put them right inside the air fryer and close it up. I set it to 25 minutes, and then they're done. And here they are, my delicious air-fried empanadas. They're more healthier, they're more crunchier, more crispier, and delicious. Well, guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, do so now. Bye-bye.